Listen up, you lot. Today we're not in Hell's Kitchen. We're in the kitchen of life, tackling a real pain in the arse inflammation. That's right, this ain't about burnt bechamel or soggy risotto. This is about giving your body the bloody respect it deserves with drinks that can help fight inflammation from the inside out. We're talking about real ingredients, packed with flavor and power, not some sugary rubbish. So get off your arse, ditch the fizzy drinks, and let's get this show on the road. We're about to explore 8 anti-inflammatory drinks that'll make you feel like £1,000,000. Get ready to learn, you muppets. First up, we've got the golden turmeric latte. This ain't your average latte, you lot. This is the real deal, a bloody ancient recipe used in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries. And let me tell you, these folks knew a thing or two about healing. The star of the show here is turmeric, or more specifically, curcumin, the powerhouse ingredient that gives turmeric its vibrant yellow color. This bad boy is a natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, tackling those nasty free radicals that cause havoc in your body. Now, to make this elixir you'll need some unsweetened almond milk, a knob of fresh ginger, none of that powdered rubbish, a pinch of black pepper to boost absorption, and of course, the star of the show, turmeric. Gently warm the almond milk, then whisk in the turmeric, ginger and pepper. Keep whisking until it's all combined and steaming, and don't you dare boil this, you hear? This latte is best enjoyed warm, like a warm hug for your insides. Trust me, after a long day this is the perfect drink to soothe your body and mind. It's like a warm bath for your insides, minus the rubber ducky. And don't think for a minute that this is just some hippie drink. This is serious stuff, packed with flavor and good for you. So, ditch the sugary drinks and give this golden turmeric latte a try. Your body will thank you for it. Next up, we've got the Green Goddess smoothie. Now before you turn your noses up at the word green, listen up. This smoothie is packed with leafy greens, fruits, and other anti-inflammatory ingredients that'll make you feel like you can conquer the world. We're talking spinach, kale, cucumber, all that good stuff that'll make you feel like Popeye. But don't worry, we're not gonna leave you with a bland, grassy taste in your mouth. We're adding some sweetness and zest with fruits like pineapple, mango, or even some berries. And to top it off, we're throwing in some chia seeds or flax seeds for an extra boost of omega-3 fatty acids. These little guys are like the superheroes of the anti-inflammatory world, fighting inflammation and keeping your heart healthy. Now chuck all these ingredients into your blender and blitz it until it's smooth and creamy. And don't you dare tell me you don't have a blender, get one. It's an investment in your health, you hear? This Green Goddess smoothie is the perfect way to start your day, giving you a powerful dose of nutrients and anti-inflammatory goodness. It's like a salad, but way more delicious and easier to stomach. So, ditch the sugary cereals and pastries and start your day with a Green Goddess smoothie. It's time to show inflammation who's boss. Now, for you lot who are always hitting the gym thinking you're the next Arnold Schwarzenegger, this one's for you. This is tart cherry juice, and it's not for the faint of heart or stomach. This stuff is tart, I'm talking puckering your face tart, but don't let that scare you off because this drink is a godsend for muscle recovery. It's packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that help reduce muscle soreness and inflammation after a tough workout. Think of it as nature's own sports drink, without all the added sugar and artificial crap. It's like a cold compress for your muscles, from the inside out. Now the best part is, you don't have to do much with this one, just grab yourself a bottle of 100% tart cherry juice, none of that sugary cocktail stuff, and knock it back. You can drink it straight, or if you're a bit of a wimp when it comes to tartness, dilute it with some water or add it to a smoothie. But trust me, the tartness is what makes it so effective. So ditch the overpriced, sugary sports drinks and give tart cherry juice a try. Your muscles will thank you for it. Next up, we have a smoothie that's as delicious as it is good for you. This is the beetroot and berry smoothie, and let me tell you, this one's a real looker. Now I know what you're thinking, beetroot in a smoothie, but trust me on this one. Beetroot is a nutritional powerhouse packed with antioxidants, nitrates, and other compounds that help reduce inflammation and improve blood flow. And we're not stopping there. We're adding in a mix of berries, strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, whatever tickles your fancy. Berries are like nature's candy, but without the guilt trip. They're bursting with antioxidants and flavor, making this smoothie a real treat for your taste buds. To make this vibrant concoction, chuck a small beetroot roasted or raw, it's your choice, into your blender, along with a handful of your favorite berries, a splash of almond milk or coconut water, and a squeeze of lemon juice for a bit of zing. Blitz it all up until it's smooth and creamy, and marvel at the beautiful color. This smoothie is so vibrant, it's practically begging to be Instagrammed. So, ditch the artificial dyes and sugary drinks, and treat yourself to a beetroot and berry smoothie. It's a delicious and nutritious way to fight inflammation and boost your overall health. Feeling a bit tropical? Then this next drink is for you. This is the Pineapple Ginger Elixir, the perfect drink to transport you to a beach paradise minus the sunburn and overpriced cocktails. Pineapple, the star of this elixir, contains an enzyme called bromelain, which is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent. It helps reduce swelling, pain, and inflammation throughout the body. And of course, we can't forget about our trusty friend ginger. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory and digestive aid, making this drink perfect for soothing an upset stomach or a sore throat. To make this elixir, blend together fresh pineapple chunks, a knob of fresh ginger, and some water or coconut water for a bit of sweetness. Blend it all up until it's smooth, and strain it if you want a smoother texture. This drink is best served chilled, so pop it in the fridge for a bit before you enjoy it. It's the perfect refreshing drink for a hot day, or anytime you need a little taste of paradise. So ditch the sugary cocktails and artificial fruit juices, and treat yourself to a pineapple ginger elixir. It's a delicious and healthy way to fight inflammation, and enjoy a taste of the tropics. Now let's move on to something a bit more elegant, shall we? This is hibiscus tea, a vibrant red tea that's as beautiful as it is good for you. Hibiscus tea is packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which give it that stunning red color. These antioxidants help protect your cells from damage, reduce inflammation, and boost your overall health. But it's not just about the antioxidants, you see. Hibiscus tea is also naturally caffeine-free, making it the perfect drink to unwind with after a long day. To brew yourself a cup of this ruby red wonder, simply steep dried hibiscus flowers in hot water for a few minutes. You can enjoy it hot or cold, with a squeeze of lemon or a drizzle of honey if you fancy. Hibiscus tea is not only delicious and refreshing, but it's also been linked to a lower risk of heart disease, stroke, and even some types of cancer. So, ditch the sugary sodas and artificial drinks, and treat yourself to a cup of hibiscus tea. It's a delicious and healthy way to unwind, relax, and give your body the love it deserves. Right, you lot? Enough with the fruity drinks, let's get down to business with matcha green tea, the Bruce Lee of the tea world. It's packed with antioxidants, especially catechins, which are like ninjas fighting inflammation in your body. Matcha is a powdered green tea, so you're consuming the entire leaf, not just steeping it. This means you're getting a concentrated dose of all those amazing nutrients. It's like upgrading from a standard soldier to a special forces unit. Now to prepare this emerald elixir, whisk the matcha powder with hot water until it's frothy. You can enjoy it straight up or add a splash of almond milk for a creamier texture. Matcha is known for its calming effects thanks to L-theanine, which helps you relax without feeling drowsy. It's like finding your inner Zen master without having to meditate on a mountaintop. So if you're looking for a drink that's both energizing and calming, while fighting inflammation like a boss, matcha green tea is your new best mate. Finally, we've got a classic for you, ginger lemon tea. It's simple, it's effective, and it's the perfect remedy for those days when you're feeling under the weather. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory and digestive aid. It's like a warm hug for your stomach, soothing nausea and aiding digestion. Lemon, on the other hand, is loaded with vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps boost your immune system. To make this soothing elixir, simply grate some fresh ginger, none of that powdered rubbish, and add it to a mug with hot water. Squeeze in some fresh lemon juice and sweeten it with a bit of honey if you like. Ginger lemon tea is not only great for fighting inflammation, but also perfect for soothing a sore throat, clearing congestion, and giving your immune system a much-needed boost. So, next time you're feeling a bit worse for wear, skip the over-the-counter remedies and reach for a cup of ginger lemon tea. It's a natural, delicious, and effective way to get back on your feet. There you have it, you lot. 8 incredible drinks that are not only delicious but also pack a powerful punch against inflammation. Remember, good health starts from within, and these drinks are your secret weapons to feeling your best. Now stop making excuses and start incorporating these drinks into your daily routine. Ditch the sugary sodas, the artificial juices, and all that other rubbish that's doing your body more harm than good. It's time to take control of your health, one delicious sip at a time. Now go on, get out of my kitchen and start making these drinks.